What's up, y'all? Church bells again. Yeah. I'm feeding some birds. Pretty though, right? It's actually a CD. Many people in this town thought they were actual church bells. You know how many bells you need to make? Jeez Louise, bro. It's that tower right there. The steeple. Beautiful church. Large church. Right there. Tip top. Looks like speaker vents, right? How many bells you would have to hit all those notes? It's insane. And people don't want to believe it's a CD. So they watched to see. A friend of mine watched to see if the bell actually moved. He said, "Why? You were right. It didn't move." He said, "I watched it when it started ringing. It didn't move." He since now has taken his own life. I didn't mean to get on that. But now every time I hear the church bells, I think of him. So. Anyway. They're pretty. He was too. I don't mean pretty like, you know what I mean. A nice. A long time, he was straight, lighthearted. Whatever, I'm here to talk about that. Alright, maybe. There you go. And there they go. How y'all doing?